Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the car to ACC or on so head unit and modules are live. Keep the engine off for safety. You should have your phone with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and the vehicle app installed. Next, connect a USB cable if the car requires wired CarPlay or plug into the vehicle's USB port for charging and data. Once done, open the app and follow initial prompts to allow permissions so devices can discover each other. This enables pairing. Now pair devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu, select the car's name, and confirm the PIN shown on both screens. This creates a secure connection. If the system prefers wired CarPlay or Android Auto, plug the phone into the designated USB port and accept prompts. Otherwise, join the car's Wi-Fi hotspot for over-the-air features. For diagnostics or advanced integrations, pair an OBD Roman 2 dongle following its app instructions. Make sure permissions for contacts and messages are granted so features work correctly. Complete with functional checks. Start a short drive and test audio playback, navigation routing, and voice commands to confirm integration. Save the phone as a trusted device in the car settings and enable Auto Connect so reconnection is automatic next time. If something goes wrong, first reboot your phone and power cycle the car's infotainment system, then remove the device from Bluetooth and repair. One key troubleshooting tip: clear paired devices list if multiple old entries exist. This often resolves hidden conflicts and restores reliable connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.